So, we're here in my bedroom. Welcome. This is where the magic happens. This is where I fuck bitches. I'm kidding. So, what do you see, okay? We see a nice room, nice aesthetic, nice decor, sure, right? But what do we really see? When pulling a girl, when taking a girl to the bedroom, okay? You wanna hit the 5 senses. It's all about the 5 senses. I went to your place last night. Come here. I went to your place last night and I was pissed the fuck off. We brought 2 girls from the club last night back to your place. Here's why I think they left. I was making all the girls, but they left. Here's why I believe they left. The place was not pull ready. It was not set up for intimacy. It was not set up for an after party. It was not set up for a girl to be comfortable to make herself at home and relax in your masculine presence. Does this make sense to you? Yeah. Does this logically make sense to you guys? Yes or no? Yeah. Yes. Everyone understand this? If you're bringing a girl back to your place needs to be pull ready. Now here's the best part. When you leave the house and your bed is made up and it looks nice and cozy, what's happening in your subconscious brain? Well, subconsciously you're feeling, well, the reason I'm making my bed is because I'm bringing a girl back home with me tonight, right? Subconsciously. In the same way, right? We got the little Ace of Spades box full of condoms, okay? Make sense? We got condoms here, okay? And so what I'll do is I will take the condoms and I will literally show up to the club with this many fucking condoms every single night, right? I probably already have some on me, I bet. No, I don't, I'm wrong. So I'll put one in my back pocket, put one in my fucking front pocket. This happens all the time. I'm like taking shit in my pocket, I drop condoms. Whoopsie doopsie. But if anything, it's a good reminder that I'm gonna fuck bitches. And I will take some condoms, I'll put in my top drawer, I'll put in my bottom drawer, okay? I'll take one, put it in the bathroom just in case. In the bathroom drawer just in case I end up pulling a girl to my bathroom because maybe I'm gonna have a party, the girls won't come to my bedroom, but she wants to go fuck in the bathroom for whatever reason, right? Then I have Cialis and Viagra ready to go. In fact, I'm gonna take one right fucking now. Just in case, not just in case, because I'm not playing to fucking play, I'm playing to fucking win. This is 20 milligrams. No, sorry. I'm running out. But I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna have a boner all night, okay? How do I know I'm getting laid right now? Because I have condoms in my fucking pocket, I have Cialis running through my fucking veins, and on top of that, my room's clean, bed's made, right? But then we're gonna hit the 5 senses. Sight, right? We got the lights, a little kiss thing. It's very subtle. We'll have the city view in the background at nighttime, so it'll be really dark and dim and bougie, right? We have the colors, right? It's all about, this place is literally designed for colors. Take a look at this, okay? Take a look. Look at this. How does it feel? How would it feel to be a girl in this bedroom? Exciting, colorful, magic. It's like, woo! You know what I mean? Does it make sense? Because we're gonna do after parties, I will even keep this closed, okay? And I will open, because like girls will be on the balcony and shit. I don't want to get cock blocked. I don't want people like walking at me fucking a girl. And I'll keep this open enough so that you can still see the kiss sign and the city, but people can't see me fucking, okay? Does it make sense? Now, logically, right? We want to hit the 5 senses. We got sight, then we've got sound. So I'll have The Weeknd playing. The Weeknd, you guys know The Weeknd? I'll have his album like Kissland playing in the background. If I want to fuck, if I want to get laid, I'm just gonna play Kissland by The Weeknd. Does it make sense? I'll have Kissland playing in the fucking background. Or his new album, Dawn FM, amazing fuck playlist, right? Make sense? I'll have it on the laptop. I'll have it on the speaker. This is a speaker. That is a speaker over there, that little red thing. It's a little speaker, right? Make sense? The sight, the sound, right? Then we have white sage for the smell, okay? Make sense? Does it make sense? So again, is this set up for comfort, relaxation, positive vibes? Or is it set up for a girl to be uncomfortable? Which one? Which one? It's set up so it smells good, it looks good, it feels good to be here, right? And then touch and taste, right? We got tequila from the club, right? We got the tequila bottle from Tuesday night, right? We've got wine. Make sense? Taste. You want to have tasty, good tasting alcohol. For example, Ciroc. For example, White Claw. For example, Whitney's fucking whatever, like pink lemonade or whatever the fuck, right? Does it make sense, boys? Now, question. We got the sight, we got the smell, right? We got the touch. No, wait, fuck, I gave it away. I was gonna ask you, what's the last sentence? But I gave it away. We got touch. So guess what? I'm gonna go hang out with this girl and I'm gonna say, hey, can you give me a massage? She's gonna give me a massage. I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna give you a massage. Then I'm gonna give her a nice massage, respectfully and consensually. And then I'm gonna tell her she's turning me on and I like her and I think she's cute. And I'm gonna shoot my shot, respectfully and consensually. I'm gonna say, hey, look, check this out. I have a back massager. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna be like, what do you think? She'll be like, oh, cool. Then I'm like, do you wanna try it? I'm feeling it right now, it's like all lubey. You guys can like see like, it's like lube and cum on it. It's fun, gross. But I'm gonna be like, back massage, right? I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it down her back, right? Back rub, back massage. And if she's comfortable, I'm gonna say, hey, are you comfortable with this? I want everyone to say it with me, hey, are you comfortable with this?
Hey, are you comfortable with this?
And if she's comfortable with it, and she allows you to proceed, hey, you can respectfully proceed. Make sense? You're going for the massage, right? Respectfully, consensually. You're escalating sexually, right? You got drinks, it tastes good, the place smells good, the place looks aesthetically pleasing, right? It sounds good, because the weekend is talking about fucking his ex-girlfriend, or fucking the girl who's his best friend. I mean, I've only done that a handful of times. I'm kidding. I do it all the time. Anyway, and then, here's what you do. You differentiate yourself from other guys. Make sense? You don't just take it out and slap her with it. You say, hey, what do you think about this? How do you feel about this? Have you ever had your ass slapped before? Do you like this? Are you comfortable with this? Right? Boom, boom, boom. Her vanilla ex-boyfriend was too much of a fucking loser to escalate sexually on her. Right? She would have to do it. Now all of a sudden she has a man who takes control, makes her feel comfortable, respects her, is respectfully dominant in a very fun and positive way. Make sense? Then you have a little flogger. Make sense? Because some girls like that. Not all will. If she's not comfortable with it, hey, no worries, put it back. Right? So maybe if like you're seeing a girl, she's more comfortable to use a insertion vibrator. Right? Does it make sense? A lot of girls really like the handcuffs. They love being handcuffed. Girls love being handcuffed. Okay? Don't ask me why. I don't know what it is. Some weird kinky fetish shit going on. I got handcuffed once for the first time, like last week, and I was like, what the fuck is this? This is weird as fuck. Please, never do that again. That was strange. What the fuck? Right? But girls love it. Right? They like it. They love it. Right? We got ties. I can tie them up. Make sense? Tie them up. Respectfully. Consensually. You need to ask for consent every step of this sexual interaction. Does this make sense? To make sure you feel so safe and comfortable, to make sure you're not overstepping boundaries, right? Because the last thing you want to do is make her go uncomfortable. She won't ever see you again, and you might get in trouble, right? Maybe if she's into it, you do anal beads. Make sense? This went up my ex-girlfriend's asshole. Delicious.
Jesus Christ.
Lubricant. This is so fucking necessary. Lubricant is an absolute must. Like, this is an actual must. You understand? Lube is necessary. Okay? And that's pretty much it, I think. Handcuffs. Oh, yeah. One other thing I have as well, besides the handcuffs, is I have ties on my bed. Make sense? Hidden away, a little bit subtle. I have the vibrator charger behind my bed too, so sometimes I'll just have the vibrator charging behind there. That way, your whole place is set up for intimacy, fun, making love, having a fun time, having an orgy. Why do I have a king-size bed? Can I ask you guys why do I have a king-size bed? Because on Halloween, I had a foursome with 3 girls and the bitches would fall off the bed. And I'm like, God damn, I need a king-size bed. Make sense? Logically, make sense? Very, 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 very important. Now put this on. I'm kidding. Okay.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, Daygame, soul skills, and lifestyle development in 50 countries in 6 continents over the last 10 years to thousands of guys just like you. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about this stuff, you can go to justinmarc.com and you can schedule a call with me. I will personally call you. Okay. We'll talk, we'll get to know each other, and we'll see how we can potentially even work together. And the best part is we'll help you get your ducks in a row. We'll help you with an action plan on how to change your life. And if you guys want, you can go to wingmanpodcast.com. Check out our podcast. It's amazing. It's an amazing dating podcast I do with my co-host, Matt Levine. And then you can also go to my Instagram, my new Instagram, drunkjustin2. Okay, my new Instagram. And you can watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always doing crazy things, parties, events, hot girls, the craziest things. And you can actually watch my stories there. And you can also message me if you have any questions. You can reply to my stories and I'll be sure to message you back. And please subscribe here on YouTube, my YouTube channel here, Justin Marc, and click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos. And we will see you guys very soon in a new video. If you like this video, I really appreciate if you leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will talk to you guys soon. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll see you next time.